Dear Diary, I've been to a wonderful place. I've always thought ancient and modern are opposites. I was wrong. Here I've seen the first modern city of 4,000-year-old civilization. I always thought man and wild are opposites. Not really. Here I've had conversations with the king of the jungle. I always thought white is the opposite of colors. Proved false. Here I've seen myriads of shades dancing in color white. Strange. Once hit terribly by earthquake is today inspiring others to live, to celebrate. I always thought sins once committed cannot be washed off. No, I felt the holiest in the waters of holy river Narmada. I always thought gods live only in heaven, but here I heard the sounds of Lord Krishna's flute. I heard the heartthrobs of goddess Sati. Even sun god comes to greet good morning to this place. I heard the symphony religions. Hindus, Parsis, Jains, Muslims, Christians all bow down in reverence together here. You know what? I saw a place which was attacked hundreds of times by the foreign intruders. Still it stands untouched. Isn't it a living symbol of faith? I went back in King Ashoka's era. I even stood at the place Parsis entered India. Lying on the serene beaches reminded me that I am alive. And for a change, I had a tea party with clouds too. I have been to a place where migrated birds come to spend their vacation. Oh, I have put on a lot of weight. And my baggage is over the limit too. I just couldn't resist myself when I saw those creatively crafted artifacts of a vibrant civilization. I felt kingly at times. I felt crazy at times. But couldn't hold my tears when I saw the lake believed to be created with teardrops of children who come here to offer tribute to their mothers after death. May their souls rest in peace. You know, here, they celebrate more than 200 festivals a year. Sounds insane, but no. It's a message that life is a celebration here. I mean, they have everything, you know. Mountains, rivers, oceans, jungles, deserts. They have heights, they have depths, they have World Heritage Sites, they have masterpieces made by man. But more than everything else, this place has given visionary leaders to the world. Mahatma Gandhi, the soldier of peace and non-violence, who got India her independence. Sardar Patel, who united India after independence. And Narendra Modi, who is striving to make developed India. A man pushing forward the development indices in the country with his proactive vision and approach. I've seen something unique here too, like the world's longest riverfront, world's longest dance festival, Asia's largest solar park, world-famous destination for diamond polishing, world-famous hotspot for medical tourism too, world's tallest statue to be built in the memory of Iron Man of India, the Gujarat. And you would too. So come, experience the hospitality of this mesmerizing state. Gujarat awaits you with open arms. Atithi Devo Bhava.